Hello, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for coming back. This is our third video in our German course based on the supported communication approach. I'm Dominic.
I'm Saori. Hi.
We hope you enjoyed our first two videos and learned a bit. We have a lot of fun making these videos, and we hope you also have fun watching them. Just for starters, quickly, what we are going to do here. The routine consists in 5 steps. First part is we're going to read the text together. We're going to check out all the vocabulary, so to make sure that Saori understands everything. Then we're going to read the text again together. Then I'm going to ask questions about the text, and Saori is going to answer the questions with the help of the text in this step. After that, we're going to read the text again, and so we can see the text. And then I'm going to read the text a second time, and this time Saori is not allowed to read the text. Then I'm going to ask questions again, and this time Saori is supposed to answer the questions just by mind because she already knows the answers. Then I'm going to read the text again without Saori seeing the text, and then she's going to talk about the text freely. So let's get started. Das ist Tim.
What is das?
This. Okay, so
Okay.
this is Tim. Kommt aus Deutschland.
What is er?
Is he. Okay.
Okay.
He comes from Germany. Mag Fußball.
Okay.
Okay, he likes football. Mag Musik.
Okay.
He likes music. Mag Tiere.
What is Tiere?
Tiere is animals.
Okay.
Okay. He likes animals. Ist 15 Jahre alt.
What is 15?
15 is 15.
Okay.
Okay. He is 15 years old. Okay, good. Let's read it again. Das ist Tim. Kommt aus Deutschland. Mag Fußball. Mag Musik. Mag Tiere. Ist 15 Jahre alt. Okay. Wer ist das? Who is this?
Das ist Tim.
Okay. Woher kommt er? Woher kommt Tim? Where does he come from?
Er kommt aus Deutschland.
Okay. Was mag er? What does he like?
Er mag Fußball.
Okay. Was mag er auch? What does he like too?
Er mag Musik.
Was mag er auch? What does he like too?
Er mag Tiere.
Okay. Wie alt ist er? How old is he?
Er ist 15 Jahre alt.
Good. Let's read it again. Das ist Tim. Kommt aus Deutschland. Mag Fußball. Mag Musik. Mag Tiere. Ist 15 Jahre alt. Okay, look away. Das ist Tim. Kommt aus Deutschland. Mag Fußball. Mag Musik. Mag Tiere. Ist 15 Jahre alt. Good. Wer ist das? Who is this?
Das ist Timmy.
Das ist Tim. Woher kommt Tim? Where does Tim come from?
Kommt aus Deutschland.
Okay. Was mag er? What does he like?
Mag Musik.
Okay. Was mag er auch? What does he like too?
Mag Tiere.
Okay. Was mag er auch? What does he like too?
Mag Fußball.
Okay. Wie alt ist Tim? How old is Tim?
Ist 15 Jahre alt.
Okay. Ist 15 Jahre alt. Good. Very good. Okay, listen to the text again. Das ist Tim. Kommt aus Deutschland. Mag Fußball. Mag Musik. Mag Tiere. Ist 15 Jahre alt. Okay? Good. Try to tell us the text.
Du bist Tim. Ist 15 Jahre alt. Mag Fußball. Mag Tiere. Mag Musik. Kommt aus Deutschland.
Kommt aus Deutschland. Good. Very good, Zoe. This was our third video, our third lesson. We hope you come back soon and check out the other videos we are going to make for you. If you want to study a bit more today, check out my books on Amazon with the supported communication approach. I put the link below in the descriptions. Also, stay tuned for our upcoming application, which uses the supported communication approach and gives you an interactive experience which is very much like what you've just seen in the video, just with your mobile phone. And I'm pretty sure you will have amazing results with your German learning efforts using our applications. So stay safe, have a good time. Thank you for watching us. See you soon.